Mathematics in the modern world positively helped me in changing my perspective about math. Before, I would usually try to stall and refrain from answering math problems because I developed this perception that math is just impossible for me to understand, especially when I was young. But that definitely changed because this subject enabled me to push myself outside my comfort zone and forget all the bad experiences that I had with math. Furthermore, the topics that we discussed felt really refreshing, and I was happy because I was able to participate both during online and uh, face-to-face classes, which I consider a huge development on my end, given the fact that I will take up more math-related classes after this term. Well, admittedly, there were also downsides, like me having a difficulty at first in understanding some lessons or in catching up. But that's where I've seen a great improvement on myself individually because I also learned how to ask and seek for clarifications. And it boosted me not to give up, but to keep on retrying until I get the correct answer. After submitting all the practice sets and seat works, I felt a huge sense of achievement because it feels really different from how I used to perceive math before. And I can look back, and the way I look back on it, I almost gave up. But now I've seen hope. So I hope that this would continue in my succeeding classes with uh, relation to mathematics. So for the Investagram, it gave me a simulation that helped me understand investing in a deeper but concise way because in most times it was only explained in a theoretical way. And I feel like this will benefit me in my investing journey. On the other hand, the group project was also very challenging for me because I was the group leader and we really needed collaboration from each member and we needed consistency with our outputs from our assigned chapters. Well, overall, I believe that we really did well because we exerted effort in making our final project, given difficulties with our schedules and um, difficulties in crafting or creating the concept to make it fit with the mathematical lessons while keeping it light and fun because we chose a vlog type approach that is trendy at the moment. Well, to discuss my parts, it helped me understand the basics of math even more, appreciate it, and then obtain new insights that I did not know before, like the minimum spanning trees, which I find fascinating. Overall, I enjoyed the lessons as it taught me practical insights that can be applied in real world applications. And for me personally, as a business student, I will cherish these lessons and I hope to apply it in my succeeding years left in my academic journey and hopefully apply it in my career also in the future. Thank you.